Welcome to our comprehensive SEO tutorial, where we'll demystify the world of search engine optimization and show you how it works to boost your online presence. So, what exactly is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The goal is to increase organic traffic to your site by improving its visibility for relevant searches. But how does it work? SEO operates through a combination of strategies and tactics that signal to search engines that your website is authoritative, relevant, and trustworthy. First, keyword research. This involves identifying the words and phrases your target audience is using to search for information related to your business. By integrating these keywords strategically into your website content, you can attract more qualified traffic. Next, on-page optimization. This includes optimizing your website's meta tags, headings, and content structure to make it easier for search engines to understand and index your pages. By following best practices for on-page SEO, you can improve your site's relevance and authority. Then, there's off-page optimization, particularly link building. Building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites signals to search engines that your site is trustworthy and authoritative. This can significantly impact your search engine rankings. Finally, technical SEO. This involves optimizing the technical aspects of your website, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, and crawlability. A technically sound website not only provides a better user experience, but also improves your chances of ranking higher in search results. Throughout the SEO process, it's essential to monitor your progress and make adjustments accordingly. Utilizing tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console can provide valuable insights into your website's performance and help you identify areas for improvement. In conclusion, SEO is a multifaceted approach to improving your website's visibility and attracting more organic traffic. By implementing strategic optimizations and staying informed about industry trends, you can enhance your online presence and drive meaningful results for your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this SEO tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy optimizing.